minsan ang tahimik, siya pa ang panganib. High blood, hindi siya gumagaling. Nakokontrol mo lang. Diabetes, hindi siya gumagaling. You only control with medications, lifestyle intervention. And of course, cholesterol. So these are the three conditions that are actually called chronic diseases. So anong pwede mong gawin on your own para ma-monitor mo ang kalusugan mo? So get tested regularly. Check your blood pressure, check your sugar, and check your cholesterol. So small changes actually matters. So galaw po kayo, mas mahabang tulog, so less sugar. So importante, you should not only build awareness of health, not only for yourself, but also to your family. So ang totoo, kung hindi mo mararamdaman ngayon, hindi ibig sabihin ay wala ka na. Tandaan, minsan ang tahimik, siya pa ang panganib. So ako po si Doc Delara, kaya sama-sama po nating bantayan ang ating kalusugan. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para po sa maraming kaalaman tungkol sa inyong kalusugan.